Alright, hi guys, so welcome to today's video. I know my background is a little bit messy, excuse me, I got my makeup and stuff over here, but this video today is going to be Instagram choosing my baby names, and I'm going to be doing a part 2. I have to do a part 2. This hair I'm wearing is from Longqi Hair. This is their Cambodian Straight. Longqi Hair Cambodian Straight. This is what it looks like. It's 24 inches long and it's wearing like 26 inches. I am in love with this hair. Excuse me, I am in love. I love how it looks. I love how it feels. It's so soft. Their Cambodian is definitely hands down my most favorite texture. My most favorite texture. Their Cambodian is everything. Look at the natural luster of the hair and how it moves, girl. Oh my God, nobody can come for me now. Oh, nobody can come for me now, my Longqi, right? Not she with her Longqi, baby girl. So anyway, yeah, so this is the hair from Longqi Hair, and I'll be showing you guys how I put it on and how I get my top to so flat and nice. And I'm also going to be showing you guys what the wig looks like on the inside. And yeah, that's it for this intro. Please continue to watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Share my video, and we're almost at 210,000 subscribers, and I'm completely grateful, you guys. Thank you very, very much. I'll talk to you guys. Oh no, enjoy the video. Alright guys, let's jump into the video. So I'm going to just start, well, I'm going to start by using my got to be free spray. I am obsessed with this. My got to be free spray. Oh yeah. So brushing my hair back. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so I have looked at some of the names, but not all of them. Like there's like literally 1 and 2. Stocking cap on. And this is baby girl. This is le wig. This is the wig that I made, and I've seen these white things in there because it wasn't a foam dome cap, and it is a closure. This is their Cambodian Straight. As I said before, I have not flat ironed this at all. I just kind of pressed down the front, like the closure part last night. Used the got to be free spray to kind of flatten the front. Alright, so this is what we're looking like on top. The wig is nicely secured on my head. I'm just going to go now and take this. So it's already plugged in, so I can plug this out and plug this in so I can like flatten it. Alright guys, so I'm just running the flat iron on top because I like when the top of my head is really, really flat. Not flat iron, my curling wand, because the only flat iron I have is the brush flat iron that I'm going to be using, flat ironing brush, sorry, that I'm going to be using shortly. So this is what I did last night to kind of prep it. Look at how gorgeous that looks. I love when the top of my wigs are just nice and flat. Then I just like move it not burn me. Just did this. So this is what the hair looks like straight out the pack. Made the wig last night, and I'm just combing it with, like, you guys call it a rat tail comb, in Jamaica call it fine teeth comb. So I'm just gonna comb it out. Oh, I have not flat ironed this hair. I am in love with Longqi's Cambodian Straight. This is the hair I wore for my birthday, but I had it longer. This is 24 inches, and this is, it's looking longer than 24. Let me show you. Oh, I can't zoom out anymore. This is longer than 24 inches. Well, at least it looks longer than 24 inches. Got all my junk right here, but I want to show you guys the length of it. See, it's nice and it's looking like 26, but I'm sure the longest is 24. So 24, 22, 20, and an 18-inch for closure. And all I'm doing is just combing it. Oh, I love this hair. Oh my gosh. And I'm not gonna ramble. I don't ramble through half the video already at the front of the video. So let's jump right into Instagram chooses or baby names. I mean, alright, so this is the picture I posted it. And I was like, yo, shoot me your baby names. What y'all think? So 84 comments. Let me know if you want me to do a part 2 to this video. But I will not go long. A taxi comes to me in 10 minutes. I need to be done with this in 10 minutes. So on Instagram, I had asked you guys to give us like your baby names. Your baby name suggestions. I have the fan on. I'm hot. Your baby name suggestions, boy, girl, and unisex. So Letitia Scotland said Shania or Zavion. Zavion. Shania. That sounds good. So Sakina said Instagram. I will choose my baby name. Sakina, I'm now recording the video and I'm dating at your comment. Because I haven't checked recording the I have not checked anything at all. So okay, I like Zavion. By the way, Jeremy isn't here because he's home with Jonathan and I have to be here to film. I have to stay over last night to film. If you guys know that I don't film at my house anymore, I film at my grandmother's house. So Jeremy isn't here. Ooh, gosh, I look so good. So that's Letitia. So hot Venerin says salvation for unisex. I call it Nareen. I must name a big name. Salvation, come here. Salvation, if I will beat you, not salvation. You want me to be the salvation? It not gonna work here. Not gonna work. And a patty shop. So Malku says Emmanuel, Michael, and Malachi. Emmanuel, Michael, and Malachi. Emmanuel Henry. Michael Henry. Ooh. Malachi Henry. Ooh. Okay, so Sir Conscientious says girl named Phoebe. Ooh, that's a nice name. Phoebe Henry. That's nice. Boy, Gabriel, and unisex is Shylon. Gabriel Henry. Ooh, Gabriel is nice. Gabriel Henry. Shylon Henry. Oh, that's nice. So the eyebrow goddess says Jamir Zahim Henry. Whoa, eyebrow goddess, you have thought this out. I love that. Jamir Zahim, and it's like J, and see, just like Jonathan, his initials is JCH. So the baby's one would be JCH. That's so cool. So or for boy, and Jada Marie Zaya Henry. Wow. Oh, so Zaya spelled XIH. It says so Zaya would pronounce as Zia. Yo. So somebody says chocolate says I know your son's name is Jonathan and my dad's name is Jonathan. So my mom named me Jonathan. Jonathan. She made a feminine version. Okay. So she's the only one in the world with that name. I don't want to. I mean that's a very unique name, Jonathan. Okay. So for girl is Samia Henry. Oh my gosh, these names are epic. Oh gosh, I need to do. I'm going to do add 2, okay? Because I have to leave. Samia Henry. Zane for boy. Oh, girl, Lyrica. Hell no. Boy, Matthew Henry. Caleb for boy. McNatty, my brother. Son name that I drew and pick the name and that is that. So Caleb Henry. Genesis Henry. Genesis. You want beat you, okay? No. That's nice, right? That's cute. Azaria is unisex. Ooh, I love that name. Azaria Henry. Zayden for boy, Nalia for girl. Okay, so I'm not reading the name to tell me because it's taking up too much time. But anyway, so Zayden for boy. Zayden. Why must I do something? Zayden. Why? Naila for Zayden for boy and Naila for girl, and Zion is unisex. Ooh, I think Zion is more female, but you know, Naila. Okay. So girl is Kendra, boy is Kendrick. Oh, Kendrick Henry. Kendra Henry. Kimani. I love that name, Kimani. So boy name is Noir Aaron. No, my girl, it's extra. So I'm like, just tear to a baby if I say lyric seat here. Noah for Aaron. So Noah or Aaron for boy. Nadia or Aria. Aria for girl. Noel is unisex. Oh my god. Zane. That's the second time Zane is coming up. Mia for girl, Zane for boy. Riley Henry. Mia Henry. Mia sounds good. And I love Azaria too. Jaylin. This sounds good, but Jail is in it, so I don't know about that. Looking good. No. Here's them. Imani Henry. Israel unisex. And me blood cleanse. Zamari is such a cool girl name. Zamari Henry. Zamari Azaria Henry. Zamari Mia Henry. Zamari. That's cute. So Lord God, my girl, one girl just like copy and paste biblical names. Shem, Malachi, Jesse, Nathan, Jairus, Matthias, Uriah, Tobiah. I mean, I could have done that. Yeah, I could have. Oh my gosh, I have so much more. Let me just finish this part up. For girls have Annalise, Analyser, Amalia, Samuel, Samaya. Oh my gosh. Caleb again, Josiah. And somebody says Joanna Simone if it's a girl. Thank you. So Timoy Angel. Don't tell boy mother. What kind of fuck? Me delete that comment. That's stupid. Can I eat that name? That Timoy Angel. Don't upset me. Wow. So this girl commented like 5 times. So she said Shalaya, Ashe, Akira. Zane. That's the 3rd time I'm seeing Zane. Zane is a very popular. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. And yeah, I'm gonna stop there because if I don't, this cab is going to come. I'm gonna try boom one little nail tech service. So yes, I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much you guys for watching. I really want to make this a bit more entertaining, so I'll be doing a part 2, and I want to do it with Jermaine. It's just so hard to get Jermaine to sit and film with me. I want to do it with Jermaine and Jonathan for the part 2, but it's really hard to get him to sit down and film with me. It can probably be tomorrow after church. We'll see how that works out, if it can be done. But yeah. Oh gosh. Alright guys, this is it for this video. Again, my Longqi hair. Just no flat running some iron through it. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. No, I'm going to include this in the video, you know, because nice and long. So I got my nails done. When you guys saw me, which was yesterday, my nails weren't done. They were done by Cassie. Nailed it on Instagram, and she's divine. These are form or sculpture or whatever. So let's jump right into it. Let's go back into it. Go with Jovan for boy, Zoe for girl. I like it. Jovan Henry. Jovan. That's nice, cute, and it's the J thing, you know. So Bella for girl and Isaiah for boy. Oh, Isaiah Henry. Alicia for girl, Nathan for boy. Alicia Henry. That's cute. Evie Henry. Okay. Alvin for boy and Alvira for girl. Don't let me tell you where, mother. Alvin and Alvira. Muslim that's Alvira. Them don't call her aloe vera school. It not go work. I'm not call her name now, because sometimes I wear for tonight. I don't want disrespect her now. You know what I mean? It not go work. You commenter. So someone says Cheyenne. Oh, and the Jerome. I don't like the name Jerome. Cheyenne Henry. Cheyenne Zahara Henry. Cheyenne. Shancia. Are you named Shancia? That girl, let's say. Tyler and Taylor. Taylor Henry. Can't even put Taylor because she don't want Taylor. Tyler too. You know, more. I'm just gonna say. Also, some of these names are very American, and it's weird to me. Jayon and Joya. Joya is nice. Joya would be a nice middle name. Jayon, Joya. Jayon. You name I call you? Jayon. Moya, are you Moya Morgan? Are you named Moya? You can't trick me. Niasia, if we can't pronounce it, we can't come and pick me that. Dylan, see, it's just so Caucasian. Let me not say Caucasian because I don't want to offend anybody. It's very American, that name. Dylan. Ariana, yeah, Ariana's with Kennedy Henry. Ooh, Kennedy Zahara Henry. Kennedy Sean Henry. Kennedy Mia Henry. Kennedy Henry. And Carrington Henry. Ooh, Carrington Henry. Okay. So Nyla and Azari, see? And Kenzie now work. I like Azari. And the Nyla is nice. Say Chase. Why would I? Most never pick the rundown. I go run you down. Henry? No, go work. And Gray, but this with the Gray with a Grae. That's so weird. Some of these names are like so weird to me. See Azaria come back again. Jordan Henry. Jordan sounds nice. Jordan Henry. That sounds nice. Jacob Amir Henry. Jacob Amir. I name my car. Jacob Amir. Well, I'll put them over this one. I guess I'll pass them over this one. And I'll go over this neglected. Symphony and Serenity. Okay. Adam, Ashley, and Azair is nice. Azair Henry. My name is Azair Henry. Ashley is cute. It's a cute name. Why is it? Well, it's a cute name. Ashley. Taylor is back again. Jamila, Jayla, Jasmine is nice. Amelia for girl, and Jayla is back again. Zure, Zane, okay, and Nevia. These aren't bad. Oh my god, y'all be doing the damn thing. I like these names. Yeah, I'm just going to include it to the previous video. I like these names, they're nice. Then I can get behind some of these names. The names that Jeremy and I were going around, it was not mentioned. Not even once, which is so weird. Like no mention of it whatsoever. But just a hint. No, I can't give you a hint because then you might know. Hold on, let me. Okay, if it's a girl, her name will start with an A, and that's so wide, but I'm sure somebody's going to guess it. But remember, I said none of these were named. Oh, and if you want to go on my Instagram and see what picture, it's this one here, this picture that I used. See? So yeah, so if you want to guess what, oh yeah, and if it's a boy, then his name is going to start with J. So I'm sure that's like a huge clue because you guys are pretty close. I'm smiling, but nobody hit it on the head. Oh, my head hitters. Oh my god. Oh yeah. What? Yeah. Sorry. This is it for this video of Instagram chooses our baby names, and I gave you guys clues. I don't care. Those are clues to me. Jonathan put that on, so Apparently he loves policemen now, which, whatever. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. I'm going to film another video after this, and I am excited. Is that sweat? It's sweat. It is sweat. I'm getting horrible under boob sweat. Like it. I have to put deodorant underneath my breasts. I'm okay. I'm okay. It's just a lot of moisture, you know.